How to know if someone has unfriended you or blocked you on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can know if someone has unfriended you or blocked you on Snapchat. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let us begin. So the first step is open up your Snapchat. After you open up your Snapchat, simply head over to the friends section. And under there, if you don't find anyone that you're looking for, it means that they have simply blocked you. Now, if you even head over to the search bar and search for that very person, and if their profile does not pop up, that means that they have blocked you. Now, that's for the blocked ones. Now, if someone has unfriended you on your Snapchat, you will see this cross right besides their name. Now, that means they have unfriended you. This little cross right besides their name means that they have unfriended you, and now you can unfriend them by simply tapping on that cross. And yeah, that is basically it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.